Hello, this is a tutorial on worksheet 4.8 multiples of a number versus factors. So list the first 10 multiples of 6 that are less than 100. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. And just to show you how you can do that, if you don't know those, I didn't do all 10 there, but you can just take a calculator and you can just start from there. You can go 48 plus 6 plus 6 and now we've got our 10 multiples. Okay. All right, you can do the same for those other ones. The next one, what is the biggest multiple of 4 that is less than 100? Well, we could think about that. We could start and go all the way from 4 and do this. 4, 8. That would take quite some time. So why don't we take a number that we know that it goes into? Well, we know that it's going to go into 40. And we know that if it goes into 40, then it's got to go into 80 too. So let's just start at 80. 84. 88, 92, 96, 100. So what is the biggest multiple of 4 that is less than 100? Here we go, right here, 96. Another thing is you could say that, well, there's 4 quarters in a dollar. Therefore, 4 goes into 100, and then you could subtract 4 as well. Fill the words with multiple or factor here. So we have 25, 50, 100, 125, and 150. We're skip counting here, so these are multiples of 25. But 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50, these here are going to be factors. Each number has an infinite number of, this means infinite means it goes on forever, an infinite number of multiples. You can just keep going forever. Each number has a greatest factor. Okay. If number x divides into another number, then we say that x is a factor of y. If x divides into another number, in other words, it says if it goes evenly into a number y, we say that it is a factor. All right, I'll let you take a look at this on your own. Find all the factors of the given numbers. I'll just do one here, just make a factor tree. 1, 32, 2, 16. 3 doesn't go in there, 4 goes in there 8 times, 5 doesn't go in, 6 doesn't go in, 7 doesn't go in. Those are my factors. Find 5 numbers that are multiples of both 10 and 3. Well, one simple way to do this is just think about what numbers do both 10 and 3 go into. Both 10 and 3 are going to go into 30, correct? So then we can skip count by that. They're both going to go into 60, both go into 90, both go into 120, and then they're both going to 150 as well. Notice they all have to end in a 0 if they're going to be both 10. And if they're going to be a multiple of 3, they're really going to have to be a multiple of 32. So, other answers are possible there. I just chose to, oops, let me slide that down. Other answers are possible. I just chose those ones there. I'll just pause it for a minute so you can take a look at that work that I've done. And I'm going to do these last questions here. Explain the words with the help of some examples. All right, I'm going to take a look at this in here. Let's just write out a real simple problem that you all know. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So where would you put those? Well, we would put the 12 inside, we would put the 3 outside, and we'd put the 4 on top, correct? This is the quotient. That's the answer to a division problem. Or the solution. Okay. The dividend is the number inside here. in 12 divided by 3, that first number there is the div. And of course, we can think about this as this way too. So I'm not going to use x, I was going to use 12. Put it over here. So, or the number on the top of the fraction. Again, these two are exactly the same. So dividend, we'll call this the number that is being divided. And a factor of a number is a little bit different. This number over here, I'm just going to label this one. This is the divisor. Divisor. That's the number that divisor is the number that is being divided by. And then a factor. That's just it's a number that goes evenly into another number. And they said give examples, so we'll just do, put down 4, I'll put 1, 4, 2, and 2. So these are the factors, these numbers here are factors. Because they all go evenly into 4. Okay, thanks for listening.